Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to share your location with someone on iPad 9th Gen. To share your location, go to Find My app. This is the Find My app. Allow while using the app, continue, allow. And now, to share your location, go to People and click on Start Sharing Location. Then you can choose a contact you want to share your location with. And then you can click on Send and it will share your location with them. And you'll be able to choose whether you want to share it for a certain amount of time or until you disable it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.